Airplane 1 story. It's not, it's a different one. I was just looking around the story area to see what game should I play. So I came across this one, so I decided to try it. So I'm gonna wait. So I'm the only one here. Yes. Blue airplane, red airplane. Ooh. Oh, it's too late to go to the red airplane. Let me in. Yeah. Actually, never mind. I think I'm on the blue airplane. Airplane 1 story by Logman X/X. Let's see. Oh, I'm at the red airplane. Hello. Welcome to the 8542 aircraft. Okay. This looks cool. Yay! We will be arriving on the island soon. I don't want to go to the island. Clearly speaking to myself because there's nobody else in this plane. Take some time to look around the airplane. Okay, can you go in the bathroom? I can't go in this one. Well, I can go to this one. Can go in here? I can see you. Okay, never mind. I can't see you. Okay, can I go in here? Not in this one. Oh, I can go in here. Why can't I only go to one area, not two? Okay, can go in here. Oh, I can also go in here. Cool. Now that you had some time to look around, please take a seat. Okay, I'm not moving from here. Dear passengers, we are entering the turbulence zone. Take your seats. Yeah. Is there a number in the seat? I hope not, because I'm sitting over here. Good job. What the heck? You're human. What? We fly on. Whoa! I managed to buckle up. What? Oh, heck no, a demon is gonna spawn. Oh my god. What's with the light? Okay, I'm gonna die because I'm the only one here. I'm so scared of dark. That's not true. I love darkness. Just joking. Don't worry, I will go fix the lights. Yeah, are you the only one in this aircraft? Where's the crew? I'm starting to get hungry. What? What's this timer for? I just see someone. Oh, is this a killer? Is this a killer? What the heck? Okay, it is a killer. I have low health now. Oh my god, I hate this. I hate this. I hate these chairs. Hide, 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 hide. The lights are not fixed. Bruh, what was that? Pilot! There was a man trying to kill us. Yeah, it almost... Oh, my health is regenerating. That's cool. There was no man trying to kill you. There was no man. No man. Are you kidding me? But... There was a man... Do not say nonsense. Angry emoji. What the heck? You're not gonna believe us? I'm going to check on the captain. Can I go check? Let's have a discussion in a safe place. Where? Where is the safe place? It is possible in the basement of the plane, but you need a key. Are you kidding me? I'm not going to the basement. What if the man isn't there? I'm gonna go and find the key. Great life. Hahaha. Finding the key. Oh, it's obviously right there. Cool. Do I go in here? Oh. Great. Let's enter the basement. Is this the basement? To discuss. Okay, I don't know where I'm going. There's a basement of the airplane. Whoa, I got stuck. You got to be kidding me. Now time to discuss. Sorry. I think the pilot is a killer. Help me. I'm scared. I'm scared because I can't move. Let's get out of here. Thank you for teleporting. I might get fixed. Maybe. Maybe not. Who knows? No! Really? I will just move around like this. Yeah. My death is near. My death is near! What is happening with me? The man got killed. My death is near. Yep, I'm gonna die. 16 seconds till I'm dead. Is the man falling? Is the man here? What is that? Is that the man? Now, the man who was trying to kill us is now gone again. But where was it though? Where was he? Should we start to find the pilot? Wait. He could be dead. Right, that's a lot of money. I doubt that. Okay, help me, mister. I'm clearly stuck. Run! Where? I can't run. I can barely run. Where is the man? Oh, he's over there. He's coming towards me, and I'm gonna die. I should have stayed over there. No. Go. Help! Shoot. But let's put. Where did it go? Where the heck did he go? Oh, well. Oh, he's over there. Yeah, I don't need to run because I'm stuck. Ha ha ha. Hello there, mister. Well, let's go to the captain's room to find the pilot. Okay, I cannot go there, madam. I mean, sir. Please teleport me. Please, this time I need to be. Can I reset? I can. Hey, what are you doing in the pilot's room? I was not expecting you.
Yeah, I was not expecting to glitch.
Pilot, what is that knife doing on the plane? Oh, it's nothing. Wait, are you the killer? Don't worry about it. Oh wait, you are the pilot. We have to decide if we trust the pilot or we don't trust the pilot. Does it look like I can? Help me! Help. I need help. You are lying. Bro, I don't see anything. Where are you, pilot? Are you the only one? You're lying, you're the killer. You've ruined my whole plan. I don't care. That's why I wanted to kill you. Time to crash this plane. What? No! How did I glitch anyways? I have a question for myself. Airplane 1. What? That's what that was it. There was... Okay, well, this was a waste of time. Oh, now I'm starting to move. Hi bestie. Oh, that's it. Okay, well. Whoa, where the heck did I spawn? Where did I just go? What the heck? I'm gonna explore this to see where did I went. Oh, no, I don't want to glitch. I have glitched too many times. Too many times. Where am I exactly? This is where I got where I crashed. This is a really tall building. Help. How many times will it take me? How many times will it take me to go on top of the building? I think I'm done. No, I'm not done. How tall is this building? Help me. I'm going insane in this building. Oh, I think I'm up here. Finally. I'm gonna jump off now. Yay! Bro. Okay, so I guess this is it. I spawned middle of nowhere after that game. I think the airplane crashed or it did not crash. I have no idea what happened. So I guess I hope you like the video. So bye bye.